The partnership with the Leukemia Lymphoma Society and Subaru of Rochester really provides such love to our families. When our families come here to the Ronald McDonald House, it's at a moment of upheaval. Children are either dealing with their own diagnosis and medical complication or that of a sibling, so to be able to welcome them with a blanket or a craft kit, it just eases that burden and provides them a little sense of normalcy.
My daughter Keely, she's had some medical issues going on since birth, and they've gotten more pronounced as she's gotten older. And back in December, she had a day where she had over 100 seizures in a day, and we didn't think she was going to make it. But she's still here, which is great. And we have gotten some good answers and some diagnosis that we needed. But here it's more relaxed. You have that family atmosphere. You could do your own laundry. You don't have to worry about, going to a laundromat.
Yes, and that's what we're all about. We want kids, when they walk through our door, to just simply have the opportunity to be kids.
You have everything at the comfort. You have a kitchen where you can cook, so you're not eating out. As well, it costs so much right now. And this actually helps us financially as well because we travel.
It helps provide a home to our families. It really costs us about $110 a night to support a single family, and it helps bridge the gap. Our community bridges that gap for families to be able to stay here at absolutely no cost.
I think it makes a lot of the kids happy, especially with what they're going through. It's everybody thinking about the children, and it makes them feel
important.
Yeah, important and happy and with going through a tough time.
When our kids come here, and it might be after a day of difficult medical appointments or procedures, they can come walk through our doors, get a craft kit, and it's just magic. It brings a smile to their face and it helps them forget whatever they went through that day.
I love doing bingo, doing the camp week this week. I like the s'mores, the ice cream truck that came yesterday. And I absolutely love the blankets.
And people here are really nice.